very annoying. It's always much better to have somebody to help you. That's why, like I said, installation teams most of the time are comprised of 3 people, not 2. So that, because it's not every day non-stop you need help. So if you have 3 people working on a job site, one of them could always help the other 2. But if nobody needs help on a big installation, like we had the East Mary, for example, that would have been the perfect job for 3 installers. Because everybody does their own room. Whoever needs help might ask help from the other 2 members of the team. But in our case, it was just me and Marco. So yeah, it was a lot easier for me to do the work. We're just gonna put the toe kick under the vanity now that the lights were installed, because we have toe kick lighting under the vanity. The toe kicks have been already cut to size, and we're just gonna nail them in place. That's it. So it's gonna be a short walk in and out, put the toe kicks, and head to the next one. Because even if you're working with somebody that's not experienced in installations, if whoever is the team lead for that installation team is a good leader, he's going to be able to use anybody to make the job go a little bit smoother. There you go.
Nice.
Nice. Okay. We left the shop at, what was it, close to 9 o'clock. And we got back at 2:30, if I remember correctly, right? I estimated about an hour. Well, I have to be extremely optimistic. 9 o'clock to 2:30. 1 hour each, not really. It didn't happen that way. We just had to install the toe kick there because the lighting was done, all the LED was prepped, and all the access was from under the vanity. We did the master bathroom vanity, which is a double sink, 12-foot long, almost 12 feet long vanity, and stained oak. Turned out, as you can see, really, really well. It has that nice feature for us, the toe kick lighting, the LED strip. And that's what we had to do there today. It's the lower part of the cabinetry. So it's what touches the floor, actually. That section, you don't want the door to go all the way down to the floor. You need a little bit of space between the opening door or sliding out drawer to the floor. And that varies. It could be from 3/4 of an inch to 6-7 inches. It depends on what it needs to line up with, if it has to line up with something. Standard of the industry is usually it's 4 inches. And it's a toe kick so that you don't hit your toes. Right? So that's why it's a little bit recessed. But then even when it's flush, not a toe kick anymore because you're not going to hit it anymore. You're not working there. For example, on a full height cabinetry, you're not going to get so close to the doors that your toes are going to touch the bottom of the cabinet, so it's impossible. But if you have a countertop, yeah, you will be working over the cabinet. Therefore, your toes might hit actually the bottom of the cabinets if the toe kick is flush with the doors.